Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 2299. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 2299 won't turn on, you're not alone. This can often happen due to a faulty power supply or internal connection issues. If left unattended, it could lead to further complications or even complete failure of the device. Addressing the issue promptly is crucial to ensure your vacuum remains in good working order. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and a replacement fuse. First, ensure the vacuum is unplugged for safety. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Gently lift off the cover, being cautious not to damage any clips that may be holding it in place. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the power supply unit. This is usually situated near the battery compartment and is identifiable by its wiring connections. Check for any loose wires or burn marks which may indicate a fault. If you spot any issues, carefully disconnect the wires by gently pulling on the connectors. If the power supply appears damaged, it will need to be replaced. To do this, unscrew the power supply unit using your Phillips screwdriver and gently remove it from its housing. Take the new power supply and insert it into the same position, securing it with screws. Reconnect any wires you previously detached, ensuring they are firmly in place. It's essential to handle the components with care to avoid damaging any neighboring parts. After reassembling the vacuum, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before plugging it back in, double-check that everything is correctly connected. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly inspect the power supply and avoid using the vacuum on excessively dirty surfaces that could strain the motor. Additionally, ensure that the vacuum is stored in a dry environment to protect its internal components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.